In this video, I want to show you a preview of Parrot, the Social CRM Solution. This is Madeline Gepp for Webfortis, and we are the CRM experts. Welcome to the new Parrot. As you can see, I have Facebook, both pages and profiles, LinkedIn, and Twitter. These buttons up in the ribbon control the timeline. And as you can see, I have LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook all in the same timeline. Parrot also allows for an integrated posting. By choosing accounts by type, I can put a post and publish to all three types of social media sites. The action buttons for LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook are each unique. For LinkedIn, you can favorite, like, comment, share, or delete. For Twitter, you can favorite, send a direct message, reply, or retweet. For Facebook, you can like, comment, and delete. The convert buttons for LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook are all the same. You can convert into an account, into a contact, or into a lead, or a case. If you click any of the convert buttons, it will bring up the appropriate CRM screen. And fields for account name and LinkedIn profile name will be filled out automatically. The number of likes will show here, the number of comments will show here. Since we have 2 comments, the last 2 comments are going to be shown below and indented. The search feature in Parrot allows you to search Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook at the same time. We've also added an advanced search, which allows you to search Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn by words, people, places, dates, attitudes, and other. The expected release date for Parrot is July 10th. To try Parrot for free, go to www.webfortis.com/parrot, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and talk about Parrot on Twitter using hashtag ParrotCRM. We also offer a social media engagement session to help your social media strategy. For any questions or comments, my contact information is on the right-hand side. Thank you for your time.